given notice, as I indicated several months ago, to 9 property owners. We have 4 of those properties ready for demolition. This one will begin in earnest today. The idea is to ensure that we are making active progress in terms of changing the landscape here on Bay Street. What we are going to do, or what we propose to do, once we've demolished the buildings, is to turn them into green spaces. So over the course of the next few weeks, you might very well see some picket fences and some green spaces in most of these spaces. Senator Randy Roll is responsible for the Bay Street projects that we're working on, but I can tell you that we are making active progress in terms of our plans. This is only one component of the plan to really reshape what's happening here on Bay Street. The budget this year included $1 million for beautification of the entire Bay Street area. We're doing active work at the moment with our planning. You should expect to see new platters, plants, benches, some very preliminary things, but we expect that they're going to show dramatic improvement. We're already getting very positive comments from persons who traverse Bay Street. They're saying it's looking cleaner, it's smelling cleaner, and it's because of the little things that we've started to do that's causing there to be tangible progress so far today. But this building here is going to be the first. The prep work has been done. It's ready for demolition. We expect that within the hour, when the traffic subsides a bit, that this demolition is going to happen today.